Hi guys, Benidorm Scooter Sue here, and it's another beautiful sunny day. After all that horrible rain on Tuesday, the sun is back with a vengeance. It's lovely and hot again today, and there's loads of people out in the sea and on the beach. Absolute scorcher today. Beautiful. So I hope everybody's well today. What's the weather like back in the UK? And if you're in Benidorm, I hope that you're enjoying the beautiful sunshine. The harbour there, and then up above that we've got the lovely castle, and Isle de Benidorm over in the distance. Looks like a boat's coming back. Can't beat this weather. Absolutely gorgeous. So Toki there on the beachfront, people taking advantage of the shade. And then Hotel Port 10. Let me know if you've stayed there. I hear it's a really nice hotel. Got the yellow flag out. I think that means it's okay to swim. Got the outdoor gym coming up. Nobody on that today, it's too hot at the moment. More bars over there. People sheltering in the shade. Jet ski. And of course, we have the fake cocktail seller. Please guys, if he approaches you, do not buy off him. They're disgusting. If you could see how they were made, you wouldn't have one. And I tell people numerous times, but still people go and buy them. Sat under the trees, sheltering from the sun, getting a bit of shade. One of the boats coming in. It's just been over to either to Benidorm . Nice little play park there for the kids. Looks like they've put up some new barriers as well, so that scooters can't just go flying through. And we've got what everybody loves, the doves. And we've got, I'm not really sure what it is, some kind of a recycling thing. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Please hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.